Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Downloading the Yahoo Mail app is straightforward. First, identify your mobile device. If you use an iPhone or an iPad, your destination is the Apple App Store. For Android phones or tablets, you will open the Google Play Store. These are the official marketplaces for apps on your device. Once inside the correct app store, locate the search bar. This is typically found at the top or bottom of the screen. Type Yahoo Mail into this search field. Then, tap the search icon or button, often a magnifying glass. A list of results will appear. It's crucial to find the official Yahoo Mail app. It features a recognizable purple icon with the word Yahoo Mail clearly displayed. Double-check that the developer is listed as Yahoo or Verizon Media to ensure authenticity. Tap on the app's listing to proceed to its details page. Here, you will see a button labeled Install or Get. Tap this button to initiate the download process. Your device may prompt you for your password, PIN, or even your fingerprint for security confirmation. This is a standard procedure. The app will then download and install itself automatically onto your device. Once this process completes, a new Yahoo Mail icon will appear on your home screen or within your app drawer. Tap this new icon to launch the Yahoo Mail application. Finally, enter your Yahoo email address and your password to sign in securely. You are now all set to access your emails, manage your inbox, and send messages directly from your mobile device. This quick and simple process ensures you stay connected.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.